Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Google just lost control of search. AI is taking over the internet. For more than 2 decades, Google search dominated the internet. It decided what people read, buy, and believe. But in 2026, something unprecedented is happening. Google is no longer the center of the internet. Artificial intelligence is. Search is quietly transforming from a list of blue links into instant AI-generated answers, and this shift is happening faster than Google ever anticipated. The death of traditional search. Traditional search was built on keywords, backlinks, and SEO tricks. Users typed a query, scanned 10 links, opened multiple tabs, and compared information themselves. That model is now broken. Today, users want one clear answer, not 10 websites. AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Claude, and Google's own AI overviews now summarize the internet in seconds. Instead of visiting websites, people are trusting AI to think, filter, and decide for them. This is a massive behavioral shift, and Google's core business model depends on people clicking links and ads. When AI gives the answer directly, there are no clicks, no traffic, and no ad revenue. AI search is winning the attention war. AI-powered search engines don't just find information, they understand intent. Ask a complex question, and AI responds conversationally, remembers context, compares sources, and even offers recommendations. That's something traditional Google search was never designed to do. Millions of users, especially in the US, are now using AI as their default search engine for product comparisons, financial advice, travel planning, health questions, learning new skills. This is why tech insiders are calling it the biggest shift in internet behavior since the smartphone. Google is reacting, but it's late. Google knows the threat is real. That's why it rushed out AI, overviews, and integrated Gemini across Search, Chrome, Android, and Workspace. But there's a problem. Google is trying to protect its ad-based ecosystem, while AI search threatens to destroy it. AI answers reduce website visits, hurting publishers, the very people who create the content Google depends on. This creates a dangerous loop. Fewer clicks, less revenue for websites, less content creation, weaker data for AI. Weaker AI, less trust. Meanwhile, AI-first companies don't have this problem. They were built for answers, not ads. SEO is being rewritten in real time. For creators, marketers, and YouTubers, this moment is critical. Traditional SEO strategies, keyword stuffing, backlinks, ranking pages are losing power. The new rules are authority over keywords, answers over articles, trust over traffic. Content that feeds AI models, gets cited by AI, or builds personal brand authority will win. Everyone else will slowly disappear from visibility. The internet is becoming AI first. We are entering an AI first internet, where humans no longer browse the web, they ask it questions. AI decides which sources matter, which voices are heard, and which businesses survive. Google isn't dead, but its monopoly on search is. The real winner isn't another search engine. The real winner is AI itself. And the biggest question now isn't, how do I rank on Google? It's, how do I stay visible in an AI-controlled internet? Because the takeover has already begun. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.